China is investing 400 billion in Iran for the next 25 years. This is a win-to-win situation for both the countries. So, how this affects Pakistan's CPAC project under Belt and Road Initiative and India's Chahabar project in Iran? Pakistan's CPAC project that symbolizes the geopolitical ties between the two countries. This project value stands on $62 billion as of 2017. China and Pakistan's relations are old and strong. So this CPAC project and China-Pakistan relations remains as same. If the deal is finalized between China and Iran, China gets access to supplies of crude oil and gas from Iran at 13% discount price for the next 25 years. China is also very happy that they are selling its 5G infrastructure from Huawei to Iran. China is also investing on a banking sector, telecommunication and transport infrastructures including airport, railways and free trade zones. China gets Bandar-e-Jazz port development project on Strait of Hormuz. Once the Bandar-e-Jazz port developed, China's strategic importance shifts from Gwadar port to Bandar-e-Jazz. See, if Bandar-e-Jazz port develops, China transports oil from this port. Why China wants to use Gwadar port, right? Of course, Gwadar port route is nearer to China than Bandar-e-Jazz port, but the developments in Balochistan and India's stance on POK reminds China that this route will not stand longer. So China imports oil via infrastructure being built by Belt and Road Initiative, which is under China's control. This road passes Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan and connects China's mainland. China also planning one more route via Afghanistan under Belt and Road Initiative. Iran wants to maintain good relation and to continue the same mutual cooperation with India. There is no effect on Chabahar port, but the stance shifted after the developments with China. India needs to move forward carefully. China also gets Kish Island to protect investment. Kish Island is in such a location where 40% of oil trade accounts, which is near Strait of Hormuz. China initially deploys 5,000 security personnel to protect its project in Iran. China here exploiting Iran's growing economic crisis. There is a chance that Iran sold Kish Island to China. Since the Kish Island is near the Strait of Hormuz, there is a chance China can block India's oil ships in the region. India already aware of the developments here and took some measures to counter this. French operates Peace Camp, also called Abu Dhabi base in UAE. USA has a strong navy base in the Persian Gulf region. India signed a pact with France and USA to use their military bases in Indian Ocean. So India can use these bases to protect oil transport route in Strait of Hormuz. India also need to take other measures in the region to counter China.